Can I call you Rose? 'Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom. Can I call you Rose?
Hello everyone, my name is Adita Kusuma. I am from Palembang. I am student at Muhammadiyah University of Palembang. I study at the Department of History Education. Here I will explain a little about Siguntang Hill. Let's go!
Siguntang Hills is a small hill about 26 meters high above sea level and is the highest landform in Palembang city. It is located to northwest of the Ampera Break and is loaded with stairs. The foothills of Siguntang Hill are currently filled with residential areas, even though at around 1980 the Kaki Hills area to the northwest and southwest still a swim area that extended to Talang Kikim and Pinisi Pond, where the ruins of an ancient boat were found. Siguntang Hills is located 5 km west of Palembang city center, and administratively it includes the Bukit Selama village area, Ilir Barat and district Palembang city. It is a hill that has long been known by archaeologists and historians as a site where a Larga Buddha statue in the Amarwati style was discovered in the year 1922 by the Dutch resident in Palembang at the time. Apart from being now, it's a place where various historical remains from the Buddha era were discovered. Siguntang Hill is known as a burial complex for Malay kings, who are believed to be the ancestor of the Malay people in both Sumatra and Singapore and Malaysia. Until now, Siguntang Hill has become a place of pilgrimage for the descendants of Malay king from the Malay Kingdom and the Palembang Sultan, as well as a place of pilgrimage for Buddhists from within and outside the country. Siguntang Hills is part of the Kedutaan Sriwijaya site of area is approximately the same as the area of Palembang city now. To the northwest is the Talang Tua, southwest is thought to be the former Sri Ketsraf Park, a small mountainate in an excavation from the area, and to the south in the Kedukan Bukit Exploitation. And exploiting about the constructions of the Sriwijaya village. During its development and glory, Sriwijaya conquered Sumatra, the waters of the Malacca Strait, and the waters west of Kalimantan. He controlled many ports along the Malacca Strait and along the west coast of Sumatra. This also includes the port of Vansur of Bars, which is located off the west coast of northern Sumatra. The city of Sriwijaya, which is now called Palembang, has now the captain of dividing speak according to its needs, sign around the Act 2 Nights characterized it. Residential areas were village of the banks of the Musi and of other rivers. The rules residence was and lying not far from the river banks, while places that were considered sacred were in high areas, including Siguntang Hill. Looking at the historical remains found at the Siguntang Hill sites, it can be ascertained that this small hill was once a sacred area, perhaps even the most sacred place in Sriwijaya city. Siguntang Hill has an important value for the people of Palembang from time to time. This hill experiences change in the collective memory of the people of Palembang with the discovery of status and release from the Hindu and Buddhist and of the Sriwijaya kingdom. After a long time, the collective memory of the people is attached to the Malay Hikayat and the Palembang Sultan and to the extension of the tombs of the Malay kings on the Skerry Hill, which has been believed for generations to be the tombs of the king descended from Alexander the Great. The journey of Bukit Seguntang streets from the Sriwijaya period based on findings from the Hindu-Buddhist period in Sumatra to the record of the Malay historical story written in the Book of Sulatan Salatin, which mention the discovery of the incarnation of Alexander the Great or Iskandar Agung on Bukit Seguntang, and the descent of Malay descendants was spread to Malaysia and Singapore. Getting to know the journey of Seguntang Hill from the heyday of the Sriwijaya Maritime Empire during the Hindu and Buddhist eras in Sumatra to the Malay Kingdom period and the colonialism period during the Sultan's era until the Persians will profit and insight into the right journey of the nation from time to time between the timeline, collective memory, and the history of the discovery of Seguntang Hill, the historical journey of nation, especially the historical journey of the people of Palembang is the passion. Okay, there are 7 tombs and they still have name like King Segencar Alam, Queen of the Firestone King, Princess Kembang Dadar, Princess Haisalako, Lord Commander Bagus Kuning, Commander Bagus Karang.
Okay guys, that's my brief expression about Seguntang Hill. Sorry if there are any mistake. I end with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.